Hi guys, Nick here. Welcome to iNVision. So today what we're going to tackle on this Mustang, before we get up on the table, is we're going to pull these quarters off. And basically we don't need them. There's a little bit of rust going on down below here, a little bit of bubbling, and around the wheel well. So we're not going to save them, and you're going to get right to it and cut them off. Now, around the wheel arch we're going to use the zip blade, but to save a few zip blades in around these areas here, we'll just use the arch chisel, and it'll peel it off like butter. So let's get to it. So what I did here is I cut through only the first layer of metal, the outside layer. I'm leaving the inside layer alone because we're going to need that as a flange later on. Pretty sad, but I'll show you why. I'm feeling it right now, but I'll show you why this happens in these cars. And now for some gentle persuasion. A bit of adhesive in there is holding this panel up. And that's all there is to it. I'll show you why. These panels always let go in these cars. You have all this, you have a rubber dam in here, a panel, and you have all this adhesive which captures any moisture that comes in from in this area, down below, right there, and it holds all that moisture in there and rots out this section. If they had left that open, wouldn't have rotted out. Alright guys, so now that we have the quarter panels off, we can clean all this up and reposition things and get this up on the frame table. You may have noticed that we're taking apart this vehicle in a strategic manner. We're not cutting and hacking the wiring systems or mechanical systems. Everything's unplugged, disconnected, fuel lines are unplugged, capped. We're going to have to use all that stuff later on. Now, as for the body structure, certain elements will have to be kept, like those wheel tubs, the braces, but as for the roof, that's all going to go. Take and chop that off. Once the car's on the table and we have everything trimmed away that we don't need, we're going to start building the wireframe buck. And that's going to be the skeleton that we shape all the metal to. Once all the metal is done, all the metal work and metal shaping is done, the buck will be removed. And as you've seen with other projects that we do, everything will be reassembled using the structure that we leave behind here. As you can see, we've got the car up on the frame table. Jumped ahead quite a bit here. Started to establish the support structure underneath so that we can cut this car in half and slide this rear section rearward to correspond to the new wheelbase. My dad's here tonight to give us a hand. We're going to take the wheels off so we can establish the ride height. Right now, because all the panels and everything's out of the car, it's sitting up higher than it should. But basically, you guys are going to pick up the back and get these wheels off and settle it down. Front's up. Not quite. A little higher. A little more. Okay. Stop there. Okay. Oh, right there. That's it. That's sitting on the rocker doing that.
Okay,
So this is sitting.
okay.
The thing is, we're going to have to move this back. Well, actually, no. I can just tack it here and tack it to the
Yeah,
angle
what
iron.
is your right height?
It's right on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You just have to support the back now.
yeah. So I need that.
You need the height.
Yeah.
Ten and 3/4.
10 3/4.
Yeah. Let me check the other side. Make it 10 and 5/8.
10 5/8.
Yeah, I just moved the box tubing. And it's buzzing. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching. Appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the video. Take care.